Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. This is very cool. I've been wanting to get a pair of these for the longest time. This is a multifunctional scissor. So it's portable and expandable. So you basically just twist that open and you have a fully functional pair of scissors that are super sharp. They will cut through basically any material. And on top of here, you also, they're kind of like paramedic scissors as well, because on top of here, that little groove right there will fit the top part of an oxygen tank, so you can turn that on. You also have this strap cutting utensil right there, give you kind of an idea of how sharp that is. So if you had like a belt or strapping or something that you had to cut in a hurry, it's kind of hard to get the right tension, but if this was like a seatbelt and you had to get this off of somebody, you could basically cut right through it, as long as I get the right tension on there. And it's kind of difficult to see, but it's cutting right through. And boom, there you go, right through. And again, if that has some leverage behind it, you'll see how fast that can go. And that folds out of the way. And easy to collapse. It has these safety buttons on either side, so you can fold the handles down. And then after you close that up, you can fold your handle, nice and portable. And then you have a belt clip here, which is pretty neat. Let me open these up again so you can see. Oh, and something else it has this carbide tip on here. So like if you had to get into like a side window on a vehicle, or car, SUV, whatever you got going on, you could hit the window a couple times with this tip and it would basically shatter the glass for you. So super multifunctional, super portable. I love that they fold up. That is like fantastic. And I think I hit all the features on here. Oh, and it has it comes with a special security Allen tool. So if any of these joints do come loose on you, you can easily just put this into that little socket and then you're able to tighten this up. So another really cool feature, but I love that it folds up. It's nice and safe. And you have this little belt clip that you can put onto your belt or basically into your pocket, like a pocket clip. But yeah, absolutely awesome. I think that was everything. I don't think I missed anything. Oh, it's got a ruler, another in inches on this side, so you can measure stuff out real quick. And that's the directions, and that basically is everything that it does. But I think I covered everything. Oh, and it's got a ring cutter on there as well. So if you had to get somebody's ring off in a hurry for whatever purposes, so you have that little section right here. So go down, and that would be like a ring cutter. And I don't have anything that I can use except for a piece of cardboard, but kind of get down there and you can kind of see how it would pinch that right off, that little mark right there. But yeah, absolutely fully functional, nice leverage on this. They feel great. It's got a nice thick plastic handle on there, so anything you're cutting through, you're going to get through. It has a little lanyard piece if you wanted to like hang that from somewhere, but other than that, that's pretty much everything. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.